One of my favourite code review techniques is just to pick some code and observe it. Just pick a page of source, it can even be random, and just start to look really hard at what it is. Certainly, we use it quite a lot on the course we've done, and I found most of the students, you could pick any page at random and they'd learn an awful lot just by encouraging them to look at what had been written. So I don't tend to approach a code review as a way of actually finding fault, because I don't think it's good. I don't think it's positive for any participant within that process. I think it's an opportunity for dialogue. I ask people questions. So when I review code, I like to kneel down and have people cluster around. The whole team should be looking collectively and ask the team questions about what they think of the code and which approaches they might use to refactor to improve the quality of that particular page. So I approach code review as an educational tool. And yeah, it's really quite effective. But you need to look at observation. Help people learn how to see code, how to see source as it is. Look beyond the functional. Look beyond the blinkered, narrow eyes which most developers have developed, especially early on. Novices find it very, very difficult just to look at code, in my experience. So I use observational techniques to do review, and this fits really nicely with pair programming, because by an observational narrative, effectively led by questioning, it's exactly what the navigator needs to do to determine strategy. Strategy should not be imposed by the navigator if you're doing pair programming with peers. It means a dialogue between the driver and the navigator to the benefit of both. So, for code reviews, I use observation and dialogue, and not a big list of failings. There are other techniques out there, but this is the one I particularly like.